Welcome back to Crossfader, guys. Once again, it's DJ Lawrence James. This week we are back with another wordplay tutorial for you. This week's theme is based around the word freak. Even though this wordplay isn't word for word, it's still a cool way to transition from one track to the next.
Murder, she wrote. She killing it again. Give it to them, giving it to them more. Murder, she wrote. Murder, she wrote.
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the mental and the blood. You know, so rock
I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you would say I don't know what I know. But murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote. Montana.
Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some.
She's the freak of the week. You got your body speaking to me.
Step, step, step to the party like a OG. Party jumping, neighbors can't go sleep. Now the neighbors trying to call the police. Fuck the fruit.
Now let's check out the tutorial for this wordplay. So on the right deck we use a 4-bar loop to loop a phrase, and then we introduce a song on the left hand side, Murder She Wrote.
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the mental and the blood. You know, so rock.
So to introduce the next song, French Montana Freaks, which uses the same sample as Murder She Wrote, we're using a variation of scratches, using echo outs, and then it's a simple scratch drop. In the middle section of the mix, we're going to introduce the word freaks. To do this, we use an effect in the sampler mode, which is a crash effect, and then simply drop in the next song.
Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak. Some gyal a freak, and the weak some gyal a freak.
So using the phrase Freak of the Week on the left, we introduce our final song on the right hand side, which is Krept and Conan's Freak of the Week.
She's the freak of the week. You got your body speaking to me.
Step, step, step to the party like a OG. Party jumping, neighbors can't go sleep. Now the neighbors trying to call the police. Fuck the fruit.
Okay guys, I hope you've learned something new. If you want to see more tips and tricks like this, just hit the link in the card, and I'll see you again soon.